Yes. You when you join the class at the very beginning, you should remind the class for the recording because the Jharkhand forgets it.
सर आज स्टोरी सुनाने वाले थे.
Yes, I had already started, but from the very beginning, once again I am starting. The sound is coming from somewhere. Please stop that sound. Only then continuity will be maintained. Continuity will be maintained. Continuity will be maintained.
काम जारी रखा जाएगा.
Very good. Only then, if your room remains silent, then continuity can be maintained या will be maintained. रखा जा सकता है या रखा जाएगा. Yes.
रखा जाएगा.
Yes. There was a young monkey who lived on a mango tree which was on the bank of a river. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There was a young monkey who lived on a mango tree which was on the bank of a river. The monkey used to eat ripe mangoes. One day, a crocodile came. All of you listen carefully. Later, you will have to present the same story, and you will try your best to use all those words which I am using before you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to all? Listen carefully,
Yes,
my story. Later, you will have to present the same story in English.
सर पहले सबको कह दीजिए म्यूट करने के लिए, नहीं तो अच्छा सुनाई नहीं देता रहता है.
All of you mute. I have earlier told that there should not be any disturbing sound. It should have a pleasant, peaceful environment for clear listening. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. There was a young monkey who lived on a mango tree which was on the bank of a river. He ate every day the ripe mangoes, and one day a crocodile came under the tree and requested the monkey to develop friendship. Monkey at once agreed, and he became his friend. The crocodile demanded some ripe mangoes. The monkey plucked some ripe mangoes and threw one after another. The crocodile kept his mouth open, and all the 4 mangoes fell into the mouth of the crocodile. He tasted. It was very sweet. It was delicious. The crocodile thought to take, bar par dhyan dena hai. The crocodile thought to take some mangoes for his wife. He once more requested the monkey to throw a few mangoes. A few hai. A few, after a few, verb plural, noun plural. He threw, yes, he threw four more mangoes, 4 more ripe mangoes to the crocodile. crocodile once again caught all those mangoes. They are in his
Why?
mouth. भरते जाइए जहां मैं रुक, where I stop you must fill the blank. Caught all the 4 mangoes in his
mouth.
mouth. He happily swam. He swam, swim, swam. Swim का swam. He swam happily towards the place where his wife lived.
Lips.
When he reached there, he gave all the 4 mangoes to his
Wife.
Wife.
His wife ate all the mangoes. They did not give even a single mango to her husband. Her husband, yeah, his husband.
To her husband. Her husband. Her husband.
Yes, she did not give even a single mango to her husband. She told her husband the mango. रोशनी को ज्वाइन कर ले रहा हूँ. हाँ. If the mango is so sweet, if the mango is so sweet, how sweet the heart of the monkey will be. Means she thought the heart of the monkey will be sweeter mangoes.
Then the mango.
Yes.
Then the
Yes.
mango.
His heart means monkey's heart will be sweeter than the mango.
Mango.
She told her husband to bring
The heart of monkey. The
Yes,
heart of
monkey's heart.
monkey.
the monkey. Yes. The crocodile went back under the
Tree.
tree and requested the
Monkey.
monkey and told the monkey that you are being invited. Yeah, you have been invited. You have been invited by my wife. Will you visit my wife? The monkey agreed, and he plucked some mangoes. As a gift, and jumped on the back of the
Crocodile.
crocodile. The crocodile happily swam, या sadly swam.
Happily
Happily swam
swam.
and reached and was going to his wife's place. On the way, ध्यान दीजिए, on the way, the crocodile told the monkey the whole story of his
Wife.
Why?
Wife.
As soon as monkey listened that his wife is going to eat his heart, he told the crocodile, "Oh my dear friend," sound is coming, "Oh my dear friend, forgotten my heart. I have forgotten my heart on the mango tree.
Yes.
Please swim back. Please swim back." The crocodile at once turned and reached under the
Tree. Mango tree.
Under the tree.
mango tree. As soon as he reached under the tree, the monkey jumped up. The monkey jumped up on the tree and said the crocodile, "Tata, bye bye." Now here I have already completed the story. You will have to retell. This story should be retold by you, picking up all the situations. Is it clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
all of you start, and whoever speaks the half, you finish the. You try to complete that. Okay, now you must start, and there is will how you don't stop. You continue telling. यदि बीच में आपको लगेगा कि हम डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं, फिर भी आपको अपना बोलते जाना है। बात समझ गए? इस वाक्य को सुन करके रुकना नहीं है, एकदम हाउ करना है, बोलना है, सबको बोलना है। यस।
There was a monkey who
There was a monkey who lived at the bank of the river, which has bank of the river.
One day, one crocodile came and
And he lived
he go back by swim.
told him to
The crocodile gave two mangoes to his wife. His wife
monkey gave some mangoes
ate all
and
mangoes
the
of
mangoes and
wife, the crocodile wife
and
said
no,
that
and he
if the
gave
mangoes,
to her husband.
how sweet
He told to crocodile,
the monkey.
tomorrow is so sweet,
Then the crocodile wife
it will be sweeter than
go
mango.
under the tree and say to the monkey.
crocodile come
Under that tree,
and said the monkey that
and he told to monkey that
you are invited.
you are invited
He
by
was
my
invited
wife
by
for dinner.
and
He said,
agreed
okay,
and
I
he
will
go
go with you.
crocodile
Crocodile swam again to
swim
to his wife house where he live.
Okay.
and monkey said that I have forgot my heart in the tree.
Okay. Now you try to answer. I have listened. Some of you were speaking. Some of you were silent. A good listener. Some of you were speaking. Some of you were listeners. Okay. Now I am asking the question, and I shall ask the student. I shall have the name, and only the student will answer the question. What? How old was the monkey? How old was the monkey?
The monkey was
Monkey was young.
The monkey
Monkey
was
was
young.
young. Where did the monkey live?
The monkey live in
Monkey
He
live
lived
in
on the mango
mango
tree.
under the
On the mango
Ah,
tree.
monkey on the tree. On the tree at the bank of the river.
ah.
सर किस
Mon-
किसी बच्चा का नाम लेके पूछे ना, ऐसे नहीं मालूम चलता रहता है।
Okay, Niharika. Where did the monkey live, Niharika?
Monkey was lived.
Kalpana.
Monkey
Kalpana.
was.
Where did the monkey live, Kalpana? Where did the monkey live, Kalpana? Rosni.
Monkey live on the
चुप है, तुम्हारा गलत है।
river, in the bank of river.
Monkey lived on the mango tree. Okay, lived.
Tree in the bank of river.
Ah,
In the bank.
Rosni, where was the mango tree? Rosni, where was the mango tree? Manav. Rosni is not listening. Manav, where was the mango tree?
So the mango tree was beneath the river.
Mango tree was
Beneath the
On the bank.
On the bank of river.
on the bank of a river.
river.
Who did? ध्यान दीजिए, past indefinite. The question is in past indefinite. Who did reach? Who did reach under the tree? Vaibhav.
The monkey reached under the. Sir, the crocodile reached under the tree.
हाँ, okay. Khushbu. What did the crocodile say to the monkey? Khushbu. Rosni.
Yes, sir.
What did the crocodile say to the monkey? She is not. Roma.
Yes, sir.
What did the crocodile say to the monkey?
Crocodile said to the monkey.
The crocodile requested the monkey. Complete it, Prince, complete it.
To bring a mango.
To throw some ripe mangoes. What did the monkey do? Kalpana.
Monkey threw 4 mango in his mouth.
Monkey threw 4 mangoes into his mouth. What did the crocodile do with the mangoes? What did the crocodile do with the mangoes? Manav. Vaibhav.
The crocodile ate these mangoes.
The crocodile ate the mangoes.
The mango is very sweet and delicious.
After eating the mangoes, what did the crocodile think?
After eating a mango, crocodile
eating the mango,
that is very sweet and delicious.
He brought some mangoes to his house.
For his wife.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Sir, the crocodile thought that
that
he should
some
have
he
to bring some mango for his wife.
Some mangoes for his wife. Hey.
सर म्यूट हो गया है सर म्यूट
Then what did
सर आपका म्यूट हो गया है।
he thought to take some mangoes to his wife. Then what did he say to the monkey?
He demanded more mangoes for
More
his wife.
4 mangoes to his wife.
Then what did the monkey do?
The
The monkey threw 4 mangoes to crocodile mouth.
And after catching those mangoes, where did he go?
The monkey
After catching 4 mangoes, the crocodile went for his home.
swam to the
Went
his
for his home.
wife house.
Sir, he went for his home.
Okay. Now every one of you will try to write this story and will send on my WhatsApp. Is it clear? Now take out book and we will hurriedly go through the story.
Yes.
Mark Twain, take out Mark Twain. Take out Mark Twain. Have you got? Take out book. Have you taken out?
Yes, sir.
What is the page number?
26.
20?
Page number 26.
26.
And now paragraph. Paragraph.
Third paragraph.
26, third paragraph. Along outside of the front fence. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Along outside
Yes,
the front fence ran the country road. This
Yes, sir.
and the road was dusty in the summertime, and a good place of snakes. They liked to lie in it. Why did the snake like to be there on the road?
Because the road is dusty in the summertime.
Yes, the road was warm. The road was warm and dusty in the summertime. They liked to lie in it and sun themselves. Means means to get the heat of the sun there. Beyond the road was a thick young woods. Woods means
Lakdi.
jungle. I told you on that day. The road was a thick young woods, means the new forest wood, and through it a dimly lighted path. Path means
Rasta.
In Hindi,
Rasta.
in Hindi it is path, and in English it is path. Led a quarter of a mile, means a quarter of a mile, means एक माइल का चौथा भाग था, means the distance. Down the forest means below the forest slope to the left where the swings means jhula. There was also a swings where swings. They were made from young trees, means swings were made of young trees.
Trees.
When they became dry, means the wood. When the swings made of wood became dry, they were dangerous. Means dry wood is dangerous. It may pricks. They usually broke. Means the dried wood broke. When a child was 40 feet in the air, means when a child hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When a child swung 40 feet high, 40 feet high on that swing, 40 feet high, so yes, in the air, and this was why so many bones had to be mended. Mend means
पट्टी करना।
repair. Mend means repair. Means
Yes, sir.
after falling
Banded.
from 40 feet, when the swing broke and fell down from 40 feet, their bones were broken.
बहुत
And
आवाज
they
हो
are
रहा है।
mended. कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है?
सर निहारिका
निहारिका के घर से।
Oh, हाँ. Be mended means be repaired. That mend means repair. Means when a child swing 40 feet high and the swing was broken, he used to fall down, and then his bones were broken and his bones were repaired, mended every year. I had no ill luck myself. Means the writer was lucky that he never faced the accident. Means he never fell down. But none of my cousins escaped. Means his cousins faced the accident. Means his cousins' bones were broken, but his bones were never broken. Writer's bones were never broken. There were 8 of them. Means his the number of his cousins were 8. There were 8 cousins, and at one time and another they broke 14 arms. 8 ही दोस्त थे, अब उसमें से 14 बार उन लोगों के हाथ का मरम्मत हो गया था, तोड़ लिए थे. How can we? Means right hand and left hand, or right leg or left leg. But it cost next to nothing. But in mending, in repairing, there was no cost. उसके कीमत अधिक नहीं लगती थी. Cost means मरम्मत करने, डॉक्टर के पास मरम्मत करने के लिए इसे पैसा नहीं लगता था. But it cost next to nothing. कोई बहुत रकम नहीं लगता था. Doctors were not called. Okay, for means because, for means क्योंकि, or the doctor worked by the year. Means all the year round the doctor was bound to serve the family. वो घर के डॉक्टर थे, माने उस घर से और साल में एक बार उन्हें पैसा दे दिया जाता था. Try to understand. Yes, $25 for the whole family. Means he used to treat the members of the whole family, and every year how much money was given to the doctor?
$25.
$25.
$25. So it was not too much to worry, because the family paid only $25 in a year. एक साल में इतने. Doctors were not called in cases of ordinary illness. Those doctors who treated them did not come to their house for ordinary, माने minor. साधारण यदि चोट हो, बुखार हो, तो उसके लिए डॉक्टर नहीं आते थे. The family grandmother attended to those. If it is minor case, then the grandmother means family grandmother used to cure the disease, looked after the patients. Every old woman, every का यूज है, इसलिए old woman है, सिंगुलर है, each every another, मैं बताया हूँ. Was a doctor means old women were doctors and gathered her on medicines in the woods, and they used the medicine, natural medicine. See, means the grandmother used the natural medicine collecting from the woods. Dr. Meredith, the name of the doctor was Dr. Meredith, was our family physician and saved my life several times. Means the doctor looked after also the writer, and he saved him several times from the death. Means it means that the writer was suffering from some disease. Still, he was a good man and meant well. Means the doctor was a good man. Let it go. I was always told, कहा जाता था, was told, was played, खेला जाता था, खेला गया, the was told कहा जाता था, that I was a sick pig. Means the writer was always sick and so he was weak. Tiresome and uncertain child, and he lived mainly on medicines during the first 7 years of my life. Up to the 7 years, the writer always suffered, means he was always sick, and he was always under the treatment of the doctor. I asked my mother about this in her old age, means when the writer's mother became old, he asked his mother the reason of his sickness. She was in her 88 year, means the writer's mother had become 88, and said, I suppose that during all that time you were uneasy about me. Means up to the age of 7, she was always, means his mother was always uneasy. Yes, the whole time, afraid I would not leave. After a thoughtful pause, she said, no, afraid you would always remain the sick.